Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well, trying to stay safe, trying to stay at home as much as you can. Anyways, guys, I got something to keep your mind busy for the next couple of minutes. You know, I like to make this just as fast and painless as possible. So I do have the full spoilers for the Ipsy Plus Glam Bag for the month of May. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And guys, before we get started, if you're new here, hi. I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the full spoilers for the Ipsy Standard May bag. Thank you so much, Nikki O'Connor. Nikki says, first, question mark? Why, yes you are, love. You're really quick with that bell, honey. Thank you so much for having it on. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for coming and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So again, this is for the Ipsy GlamBag Plus bag for May. Yeah, did I say that? And y'all know there's always too many spoilers for me to name when it comes to the full spoilers, so I just throw them up here on the screen and let y'all see them. A lot of people already know what they're getting in their bags, so if you would comment below, what products are you receiving in your May Plus bag? And are you getting any add-ons this month? Just let us know down in the comments what you got in your bag, or if you don't know, what products are you hoping to receive? Have you got any add-ons? And of course, as soon as Ipsy reveals anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Nicole Davis. Nicole says, hope you are doing fabulous. Well, Nicole, I wish I was doing fabulous. No, but I'm okay. I'm okay. Honey, I hope you're doing good. I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, Nicole. Thank you so much, honey. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And, guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have none? Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.